Hi.
Well, I just got a call from Kevin that he has a surprise for us. Actually, he says he has a surprise for the kitties. What did you get?
Got another present.
You didn't get another kitty, did you?
No.
Let me see. What?
Yes, our neighbor was giving it away because...
Oh my gosh.
They only had one left and is making way too much noise, so they had to give her away.
What kind is it?
It's an Easter egg layer.
Are you sure? It looks like a
Yes.
leghorn.
I don't know. That's That's what they said.
Hey guys, look what Dad got.
I have an idea. We gotta train these kittens not to eat chickens. So the way to train them
What the heck?
is to imprint this chick
Oh.
on the kittens.
I guess that's good, Dad. What the heck?
Yeah, they'll just imprint on each other, and then they'll always like chickens and won't kill our chickens.
Well, are the kittens too big? Are they gonna like attack it?
No.
It's pets.
Oh my gosh.
Like pats it right on the face. Oh, she's looking for it. She's going for it.
It's like a little toy for them.
Yeah.
Well, they're not that like aggressive towards it.
Okay, Lydia, your mission is to make them bond.
What? How am I supposed to? It's his mission. He brought it home.
Bro, will the chick think she's a cat?
Yes.
Or will the kittens think that they're a chick?
Either way works, I guess.
It's getting a lot hotter, but thank goodness we have all this shade as we die. You guys look happy as heck to be milking these goats.
Hey, Weasleys.
We've been feeding the Pat Colby mix of the copper, dolomite, seaweed, and sulfur. And then we've also been feeding them some boron. And I'm telling you, I've seen a huge difference in their coat over the last couple weeks, so I think it's doing a good job. So these minerals help with their overall health because a lot of these minerals aren't really found in some of the mineral blend mixes. Pat Colby recommends just top dressing it over their feed. In order for it to kind of stick a little to the feed, we spray a bit of water on top and then it sticks better. So far they've been loving it and it's doing really well. See you later, Doris. Is Tilly getting any better? She still does a really wide stance, which is good. She kind of squats, but she falls off the side of the stands.
She's weird.
Ethan, is Penny your favorite milker?
Yeah.
She's the best.
She doesn't have as much milk and she's like fitted for my hands. Like, my hands are bigger than Lydia's, so.
Let's make this fair. Pig, 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 pig.
Yum, yum.
Chickens love this time almost as much as the pigs.
Luna, what did you do to the top of your nose? Come on, Willow! No, wrong way! No, you don't get milked. Willow's coat is looking the best out of all of them. She's so shiny.
Did you take off your necklace again? Where is it? Here you go.
And I took off that black thing.
There you go. They always like to take them off. Huh, Luna? Yep.
Okay.
3 eggs in the box where they're supposed to go. Good job. You're one of the nice ones that goes in the box where you're supposed to go.
And then they like to lay their eggs here.
14 eggs where they're not supposed to go.
Yep.
They try to make it so difficult.
Oh, might not have enough pockets here.
Oh, we're running out of pockets. We got lots of eggs today.
1 pocket left.
One
About
pocket left.
3 eggs left.
We gotta do 2 eggs in 1 pocket.
Works.
Ethan, you look good. It'd be funny if you had it on while you were milking.
I'm gonna crush all the eggs.
Come on, Luna. Go. Do it by yourself. Go. Hey, what are you doing? Are you all done? Here, let me let you out. Okay, come on. Let's go. Bye-bye. She never wants to go.
Good job.
See you later.
Just stand right in front of the door. That's what she does every time.
It's just a couple more weeks until we breed Willow with AI. So that's artificial insemination. So we are excited to get going with that. If everything works out, she will have babies in October. All right, see you later, Luna. Oh, Willow, no! Are you guys ready to get out?
Oh.
Stella's so much like her mom, the way she gallops around. You're free!
Morning.
Hi, Fernie. I think Luna has started to wean Stella. Oh, no. Wrong. Look how big she is. You're too big, Stella. It looks like she lets her eat for just a few seconds, so that's how the mamas wean. They just slowly feed them less and less.
She's like 5 months old now, and she still wants to eat.
4, 5. Stella is our only hybrid on the farm. She's a mixture of a Nubian and a Nigerian, and we've never had that mixture on the farm, so we're excited to see what the milk comes out to be. They say that they have really great tasting milk and that they have large quantities and that they don't eat as much, but I don't believe the whole they don't eat as much thing.
It's always they eat as much as the milk they make. That's what makes sense.
Yeah.
She wants to get her head stuck everywhere she can, possibly.
Her chick comes and eats it too. They're getting so big.
No, she's the fattest one, aren't you?
Yep, she's a fatty.
Chick's lonely.
If you let the chick out though, she's gonna go running. Okay, so Lydia, I got you a little, I got you a little gift.
Okay.
Do you wanna see it?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Oh, can you?
A couple weeks ago I saw this on Amazon and I had to get it for Lydia because she's been taking care of these kitties nonstop for the past 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So she deserves this little present. Okay, here you go.
3 and there's 3 heads.
I know, it's like the mother of dragons, except you're the mother of cats. Hold it up so we can see it all the way. Like, hold it up. You like it? They're off exploring. They're getting further away.
Chloe, hey. You got statue. Yeah.
Lydia's created the most calm house cats in the world, but we're going to actually have them live outdoors. I know most people prefer for them to be indoors, but we have a lot of extended family members that are allergic to cats, and this is the only way that we can have cats is if they live outdoors. So far they're doing pretty well with the little chick. She's so funny because she eats their food with them even though she has food for herself. And so I think she's like thinking that she's the little kitty.
Hey Kiwi, how are you doing? Still staying on those eggs, even when it's hot outside. So our turkey mom, Kiwi, has been sitting on eggs for about a week now. How do I get it? You gotta throw it in there a little bit. There you go. All right. We're trying to see if she's gonna hatch these eggs because she hasn't been with the male turkey for like 2.5 months. I'm gonna try to cool it off here for her a little bit here.
What do you mean?
Let's do a little bit evaporative cooling. Wet around here, so the evaporation cools it down a little bit. What was your vote? Are they gonna hatch or are they not?
I thought there was a pretty good chance that they are gonna hatch.
All right.
You've got kitties, doggies, and chicks all in one place.
They like that scratching post better when it's down like that.
Oh, really? Have you decided on a name for the chick?
We like Egbert. He's not really scared of them. Like, he's
Yeah.
fine. They do chase him around a bit, but you can tell they're just trying to play with him.
Yeah, except you have to watch that Minnie there with that chick.
Yeah, she sniffs at it, but...
The predator. A few weeks ago, we had one of our turkey poults die, and we suspect it was Minnie. She was close to it, she had feathers on her face, and she was hiding from us. But somebody did mention in the comments that Minnie could have eaten it after a predator had already got it. So that could be the case. Maybe she didn't attack it and kill it, but maybe she was just eating the leftovers. Still, we want to watch her really closely when she's out here. We definitely don't want to have an accident happen again. So because we have to train these kitties to stay on our property, we decided to do an aviary, like an outdoor cat pen for them to live and get used to our area, because we can't let them really roam till they're like 6 months old. I think it'll solve keeping the chicken with the kitties outdoors, no predators, no way they could escape.
Hey guys.
All right.
It's gonna be so big. I'm not even crying.
It's because they love you. Welcome to your new home, kitties.
All right.
But Bird in here.
Gotta get used to it. It's scary.
All right, we just got to add more toys and lots more things in there. Their food and water.
All right.
We'll be good. A big thanks to Abba Patio for sending us this huge shade structure, because we've been able to actually use it here for the kitties.
It's
So
like a portable barn.
yeah, it's awesome. So thank you for sending that. We really needed it. Well, believe it or not, I think this chick has officially bonded to these kitties. They sleep together and play together. I read online that it's a good idea to train kittens to be around chicks, so this will be a perfect situation, I guess. They're gonna bond together, be best friends, grow up together, and hopefully this will help acclimate the kittens to chicks.